Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Google search history. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. Yeah, this is how you can do it. So I would recommend to do this through Google Chrome, but you can use any other internet browser for that matter. But I'll show you two methods in this video through which you can easily delete your Google search history. So check this out. First of all, click on the top right corner, the three dots. Once you're here, click on history. And once you're here, click on history again. There's even a shortcut, Control+H. Hope you guys use that as well. It's pretty useful. And once you're here on this page, you can see all the history that I have. I'll quickly show you that this is all the search history I already have. Once I click on clear browsing data, you can see, make sure you don't check this option because it will sign you out of a lot of websites. But if you don't care about that, check this option as well. It doesn't harm you. It only clears all the cookies. But I don't want to get signed out of websites. But once you have selected all the necessary things, click on clear data. So yeah, now all the data or search history for that matter has been cleared out of my device. You can check it out as I click search here. All the search history is gone. The browsing history is gone. Everything is cleaned up. Another way to do this is by clicking on your profile. You can do this. You can use this method by going into managing your Google account. Once you're here, you can click on data and privacy. Once you're in data and privacy, you can scroll down and see where it says history settings. Once you're here, click on web and app activity. And once you're here, you can scroll down and see there is an option which says manage all web and app activity. Here you will get all the necessary controls to delete browsing and search data. Once you're here, just click on the delete button and you can select the time or the range from where you want to delete the data or search history. Just click on whatever you want. I'll click on all time. And as you can see, this was all the history that was saved. Click on next, click on delete. And that's it. This is also another method through which you can delete all your Google search history. As you can see, I'm clean. Nothing is popping up, no suggestions. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.